how to change girl voice in Instagram voice message. I'm going to tell you how to change a girl's voice or any voice in an Instagram voice message. Instagram doesn't have a built-in voice changer, so you'll need to record your message outside the app. Use a third-party voice changer like Voice Changer with effects on Android or Voice Mod and Celebrity Voice Changer on iOS. Record your messages there, apply a voice filter, something feminine, robotic, deep, cartoonish, whatever you want, then save the audio. Once it's saved, open Instagram, go to the chat, and upload the altered voice as an audio file. If you can't upload it directly, use a screen recording or convert the audio into a video with a static image using a video editor. Then send it as a video message instead.